Jamaica's 80-member CARIFTA track and field team is back home, having bettered their performance from 2018. Jordan Fort reports.
The young Jamaicans' tally of 85 medals, including 36 gold, 33 silver and 16 bronze, topped the 82 medals won last year. World Under-20 double sprint champion Brianna Williams was expectedly the standout at the meet, winning the Austin Seeley Award for the most outstanding athlete for the second year running. The 17-year-old won the 100 and 200 meters and was part of the winning 4x1 team at the championships. Though rushing to catch her flight to the States, Williams gave this reaction.
It's an amazing feeling because I didn't know I was going to win it again, even though I won 3 times again this year, but I'm just proud of myself.
Shaquina Foote was another triple gold medalist at the championships, though she says even she didn't expect it.
Well, not really, but I know I would win the 400 meter, but I wasn't so sure about the 4 hurdles. But I pulled through and I won also.
And no successful team could achieve that success without solid leadership. And Captain Kai Chang, who himself took home 1 gold and a bronze, was proud of the team's performance.
I am very pleased at how the team did well. Based on the performances and the results, it goes to show that Jamaica can overcome adversity, and that saying is really true. The team did bond and stay together well, and we produced and we got a better medal haul than last year, so I'm very, very happy, very satisfied.
Meanwhile, despite concerns over some of the nation's top athletes withdrawing from the championships, coach Marlon Gale says he is not surprised that they were able to rack up that many medals.
As I said in previous interviews, I was very comfortable with the team that we had. I think it was well balanced in terms of the talents that we had. We reminded our team also that we had the best team at the CARIFTA games. And out of that came 85 medals.
And J3A's president, Dr. Warren Blake, agrees.
Despite the misgivings about the team, you can see from the performances that the team has done even better than the team last year. They have gotten more medals. The quality has been a little different. They've gotten a few less gold, but far more silver medals than the team last year did. And they have gotten 85 medals compared to 82. So overall, they have done a very wonderful job. We got 2 triple gold medal winners. Either of them could have won the Austin Seeley Award. We took home the Austin Seeley Award again. And we also got 2 record breakers as well.
Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.